So what change did you make to your boat?
So before there was like tube, and I put this on top, and before when I put it in, it flipped over.
Okay.
So I took that off and put this in and put that.
Okay, and why did you do that?
Because I guess the top was too heavy up here.
Okay.
Bottom.
So you're going to see how this works? Let's see. Oh, did it work?
Yep.
Is it perfect? Pretty close. How do you think you can weigh down this side so it doesn't flip, so that it holds like this? Any ideas?
Put another thing there.
Put another what?
Like a bottle.
Okay, maybe another bottle. Anyone else? Yeah?
Take this off and put it at the bottom. Because if you put it at the top, this one will make it flip. But if you put it at the bottom, it might not.
So take this whole bottle off, you mean, or just take the lid?
Well, since it's like that, like use this and put it down there.
Oh, okay. See, talk a little more and see if you can figure this one out.